Trey Willard, coach and client, Tom Ferry, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The advice I have for new agents, and probably the most important thing that you have to do, is you have to start with a plan. So we want to build out a plan, a macro plan, and then what we want to do is we want to take that plan and we want to break it down into micros. So we have our yearly goals, we have our quarterly goals, we have our weekly goals, and then we have our daily goals. And then once we figure out what that daily goal is, we have got to track and measure the lead KPIs. So how many people I need to talk to before I set an appointment? How many appointments do I need to go on before I actually get a buyer or a seller? How many buyer and sellers that actually sell before I actually get paid? So those are really, really, really important things to know. So you start there and you kind of reverse engineer. So if you're an agent and you're looking for a business right now, for me personally, the first place that I go to is my sphere of influence and my past clients. I'm going to build rapport with those guys. I'm going to stay connected, stay top of mind. There was a Rice study that was done that basically states that we need to stay in touch with our clients anywhere between 24 and 30 times per year to stay top of mind. If you're from a different area and you're selling real estate, say you live in San Diego now, but maybe you're from Louisiana, right? So you don't really have a big database. So first place I would go is I would go to for sale by owners and I would look at expired listings, because these sellers have raised their hands to say, hey, look, we really want to sell our house. Expireds are saying, hey, look, we'll even pay a commission. We just hired the wrong agent to do it the first time. On the for sale by owner side, we've got to show them the value on why they should list with us and not try to do it themselves. So again, if I'm looking for now business, I'm going there. So for 2020, I'm focusing a lot of my time right now on transferring my skills to my agents. We have an amazing team. They're super, super, super talented, but we've really got to level up, if you will. So recruiting for me right now is a big one, and then leveling up and transferring skills to our agents, our big focus for 2020.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.